I just kind of wanted to talk to you about how I'm going to structure the page. I wanted to create a few playlists. One of them is going to be like a hack and chill. It's just like a live Q&A. Let's talk. Watch me hack. If you want to help out, please feel free. If you have some suggestions, leave it in the comments or, reply to me because pretty much everything is going to be live streams. You may see a few shorts out there, but live streaming is how this is going to happen, which is cool. You get to see the flaws, you get to see the accomplishments, the oohs, the ahs, all of that. My second playlist I wanted to focus on would be it's going to be more of a watch me learn and learn with me. So that'll be kind of seeing how my thought processes are. And, once again, feel free to provide suggestions. This is a community thing I want to build. And the third is going to be all about me actually teaching. So the things I actually really feel confident teaching. Um, there will be flaws between it all, ups and downs. None of this will be the flashy, perfect YouTube page type of stuff. Um, there'll also be my game plan is to try to get 3 streams out a week with my current schedule and lifestyle. Yet 3 is my aim. That may increase, but I tend to I want to try to hold on to that, especially with your engagement. Please please subscribe, and show some love, give some likes, give some comments. But lastly, yeah, just feel free to always provide your insights, your opinions, obviously be respectful. But besides that, I'll see you guys